Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. A. Darlin Mary, Anne Velangani College, Tholiyavattam. Today in this video, let us see about surface tension. First know about what is meant by surface tension. Surface tension is that property of liquids owing to which they lead to occur minimum surface area. It is due to the phenomena of surface tension that the drops of water tend to assume a spherical shape to attain minimum surface area. The magnitude of this force per unit length is called surface tension. It is usually expressed in the unit is Newton per meter. So this effect is called surface energy. The surface energy is the potential energy per unit area of the surface film. So the unit of the surface energy is Newton meter per meter squared. So the dimensions of surface tension is m(T power -2). Does the insect is walking on the water? Yes, insects walking on water. Several insects are able to walk on water, such as the water strider. The water strider's legs are formed to distribute their weight, causing the surface of the liquid to become depressed, minimizing the potential energy to create a balance of forces so that the strider can move across the surface of the water without breaking through the surface. Next, some objects are float on the water. So here the needle or paper clip floating on the water. So the floating of some objects on the surface of water, even though they are denser than water, the surface tension along the depression is enough to counteract the force of gravity pulling down on the metal object. Next we see about the water molecular interpretation. Here consider three molecules A, B and C of the liquid. The circles around them indicate their respective sphere of influence. The molecule A is well within the liquid. So it is attracted equally in all directions by the other molecules lying within its sphere of influence. So therefore, it does not experience any resultant force in any direction. So this happens, the sphere of influence is well within the liquid. The molecule B lies partially outside the liquid. The upper half of the sphere contains fewer molecules attaching the molecule B upwards than the lower half attracts it downwards. So there is resultant downward force acting on B. The third molecule C lies on the surface of the liquid. Half of its sphere of influence lies above the surface of the liquid. But there are many liquid molecules in its entire lower half. So the resultant downward force in this case is maximum. So we can draw a plane RS parallel to PQ. The PQ and RS is called the surface film. So all the molecules in the surface film are pulled downward due to cohesive force between the molecules. So the molecules are randomly arranged here. So under the surface, the intermolecular attractions pull on individual molecules in all directions. At the surface, pull on the molecule is laterally and downward. So there is negligible intermolecular attractions above the molecules. So the net force on the surface molecule is downward. So we can see that on the surface the balance is off position and the molecules exposed in the surface are pulled inside. In the bulk side, the intermolecular forces work every direction and keep balance. So the surface tension is peculiar physical property of each material has. So here we consider some water in one tube and some mercury in another tube. The water surface take a concave shape and the mercury surface take a convex shape. So easily we can keep in mind In a water surface has a concave shape because water wets the surface and creeps up the side. So the mercury does not wet glass. So the mercury always has a convex shape because the cohesive force in liquid mercury tend to draw it into a drop. So in this figure, the figure A shows if the free surface of the liquid is plane. So the resultant force due to surface tension on a molecule on the surface is zero. See, figure B shows if the free surface of the liquid is concave. So the resultant force due to surface tension on a molecule on the surface acts vertically upwards. The figure C shows if the free surface of the liquid is convex. The resultant force due to surface tension on the molecule on the surface acts vertically downwards. Next, what is meant by cohesion and adhesion? Cohesion means it is the property of like molecules. Like molecule means same molecules to stick to each other due to substance mutual attraction. Here, the force of attraction between the same molecule is known as cohesion. So, easily keep in mind the water is attracted to water. Okay. Next, what is meant by adhesion? So, adhesion is it is the property of different molecules or surfaces to cling to each other. So here we know that two or more different molecules to bond with each other is known as adhesion. So water is attracted to other substances. So when the cohesive force of the liquid is stronger than the adhesive force of the liquid concaves down in order to reduce contact with the surface of the wall. When the adhesive force of the liquid to the wall is stronger than the cohesive force of the liquid is more attracted to the wall than its neighbors, causing the upward concavity. Thank you, one and all.